Welcome to CSS Cleaning. Maintaining pristine floors not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your home, but also contributes to a healthier living environment. Different types of flooring require specific care to ensure longevity and luster. In this handy guide, we'll provide comprehensive insights on cleaning and caring for various flooring types. Hardwood floors exude timeless elegance, but they demand careful attention to preserve their beauty. Regular dusting and sweeping are crucial to prevent scratches. It is important to use a damp mop with a hardwood floor cleaner, specifically formulated to avoid damage to the wood's finish. For deeper cleaning, it is recommended to schedule annual or biannual professional cleanings. However, caution is advised against excessive moisture, which can lead to warping. Rug placement at entryways can reduce dirt and debris accumulation, preserving the hardwood's natural allure. Laminate flooring, renowned for its durability and affordability, requires a slightly different approach. Unlike hardwood, laminate doesn't fare well with moisture. Use a damp cloth or a mop that's just slightly damp, and make sure to dry the floor immediately to prevent swelling. Use a mild cleaning solution and avoid harsh chemicals that can damage the protective layer. Regular vacuuming or sweeping helps prevent scratches from dirt and debris, ensuring your laminate floors stay sparkling for years. Tile flooring is a popular choice for kitchens and bathrooms due to its durability and easy maintenance. Grout, however, can be a challenging area to keep clean. Use a mixture of baking soda and water for grout cleaning. Apply the mixture, scrub gently, and rinse. It's a simple yet effective solution. For the tiles themselves, a neutral pH cleaner is recommended to avoid damaging the surface. Regular sweeping or vacuuming prevents dirt and grit from scratching the tiles. Promptly clean spills to prevent staining, especially on porous tiles. Carpets provide comfort and warmth, but they are susceptible to dirt, stains, and allergens. Regular vacuuming is the first line of defense. Invest in a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter to trap allergens and keep the indoor air quality high. It is recommended to schedule annual professional carpet cleaning to remove deep-seated dirt and allergens. Promptly addressing spills is crucial to prevent stains. Use a mixture of water and mild detergent for spot cleaning. Regular steam cleaning helps maintain the freshness and appearance of carpets. Also, check out our video, How to Clean Your Carpets and Upholstery, for ideas on using non-toxic solutions for effective stain removal and advice on general carpet cleaning. Vinyl flooring is celebrated for its resilience and versatility. To clean vinyl floors effectively, sweep or vacuum regularly to prevent dirt buildup. Use a mixture of water and a mild detergent for routine cleaning, and avoid abrasive cleaners that can damage the surface. Place doormats at entryways to minimize the transfer of dirt and grit. High traffic areas may benefit from additional protective measures like rugs. Periodic polishing with a specialized vinyl floor polish can enhance the shine and prolong the life of the flooring. In conclusion, understanding the nuances of cleaning and caring for different flooring types is essential for maintaining a welcoming and healthy home. By following these tips, you can ensure that your floors not only look great, but also stand the test of time.